I want to see if we get that squeeze back up to 300, if we get some mid-gap support. If we get that mid-gap support, maybe we'll get that squeeze back up to 300. The other thing I am watching for on GME, guys, I don't know if we're going to get it today. But we could get, you know, eventually a blow off top. Okay, we could get eventually a blow off top on GME, and if GME gives us a blow off top, then I'm going to be looking for puts. Okay, on this day here, which was Friday. Well, no, what day was this? On the 25th, whatever day the 25th was, I thought we were going to get that blow off top. This is an ugly candle, but it's not a blow off top to me. If we would have closed down here, then it would have been a blow off top, and I would have looked to have gotten short the next day on GME. I actually went over that plan with a friend of mine. Okay, so that didn't happen, and then we got the squeeze. Okay, then we got the squeeze yesterday. So what I'll be looking for on GME, you know, I'll be looking for that mid-gap support to see if we get continuation to the upside today in market hours. And if we do, great, we'll grab it. We'll take a trade on it. Look, you have to be mindful of what you're trading, okay? This thing puts in disgusting size candles, okay? You're talking about, it was putting in 10-point candles. You're talking about this thing putting in 20, 30, 40-point candles, okay? You can't come into this thing trading it with your regular size that you normally would, thinking you're going to have a $1 stop loss, a 50-cent stop loss. It's not going to happen. You can't do that. You will get absolutely demolished if this thing flushes 30 points on you and you're in full size. You have to manage your risk on this with your share size. If you can't do that, if you don't understand how to do that, if you are unable to you know, like, work with that, then don't trade it. Don't trade it at all. Don't touch it. Paper trade it. You know, paper trade it. That way you look at this as we're talking about it. It's 290. Going to 290 here. There it is, 290 prints. High of pre-market is 367. So if you can't handle that, don't trade it. Stay away from it. Really, stay away from it. Go trade something else. There's nothing wrong with that. Not everybody's going to like these crazy fast movers. Okay, so just be mindful of that while you're watching GME. We'll go back over to AMC. On AMC, what you want to see is this $16 area possibly hold support. If we come here to the daily, we're up there in no man's land. Okay, remember my final target on this was 10 bucks. Thankfully, we've gapped up over that and we're getting paid handsomely. So now on this, we scroll back some. You're going to see that $15 to $16 area that I'm talking about. You see it here on the daily, tops, and tops. That's 15 to 16 bucks. You want to see that hold on pullbacks. Now look, I'm in this on a swing trade. I hope out of the bell it squeezes up to 30 bucks and I can make some major bank, more than the one I'm already going to make on it, right? If we can hold 17, which are these tops here, then you know we got clear room. We got clear room, guys. We got clear room. It's crazy, right? It's insane. Right now, GME is at $21. So the levels to watch on pullbacks is 17, 16, and 15. And if it decides to hold 20, guys, we've already tested 25. We'll see 30 today. If it holds 20 or even 16, we might see 30 today on AMC, guys. So with this one, the stop loss are a little bit tighter, thankfully. So you're able to take on a little bit more size, but be mindful of what you're trading. These stocks are going to be extremely volatile today. If you are unable to trade these with hotkeys, hot buttons, if you're afraid of using market orders, you might not want to trade these. You're not going to have time to fiddle around putting limit orders in unless you have multiple limit order boxes out and you have them preset, you know, prior to even getting into the trade. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. So just be mindful of that and know what you're trading and just manage your risk with your share size. You know, manage your risk with your share size. The other stock that's on watch here, that's on the gap scan, is EXPR. I think Kevin traded this one recently, if I'm not mistaken. EXPR, massive move. Another one. This one's up 162%. It's huge. There's a huge, look at this thing on pre-market. Look at that. What is that? Insane. The FOMO today in the market is on another level. This thing is up at $8 right now, okay? You're looking for $6 and change to hold support. So that's 630s area to hold support on pullbacks to get a run up back to $9, maybe 10. If you break above that, if you break above 11, 12 bucks, you'll have clear room to like almost $15 and a gap fill in the 16s. Okay, so those are the levels you're gonna want to watch on that EXPR. This thing yesterday closed at $3 and change, guys. All right, it closed at $3 and change. It's up at 8. Be mindful. People will be taking profits at the bell. Okay, they will be taking profits. You could see a squeeze. Just depends on the momentum scalp chasers, what they want to do at 9:30, who they're gonna push up. Okay, there's major hype on AMC still from Wall Street Bets and all of social media and all of the CNBCs and all of the channels on TV going insane and getting mad. I have people texting me all over the place, friends, you know, I don't really trade. It's just insanity, guys. So what that tells you is the dips will be greater than expected and the pops are going to be greater than expected. And if you're going to trade them, you have to manage your risk by watching your share size. All right. Any questions, drop them in chat there. We got about 7 minutes to the bell. Hoping this AMC can pop back up over 25, but I will be taking some profit off at the bell here on those call options I have. Jared in the YouTube live stream asking me, do you think AMC will go down when the market opens? So like I said, it depends what, you know, momentum scalpers are going to want to do at the bell. I think more than likely we will see a dip at the bell because profit taking. I'm planning on taking profits on my calls. So I'm sure the people who have actual shares that did a swing trade on them are going to be taking profits off at the bell. You know, why wouldn't you? If you're in this, like I called it out in my chat room and I called it on social media at $2 and change. If you're in this from there, why wouldn't you be taking profits off at 20 bucks? Jared, I'm taking partial profits and holding on to some. You bought AMC yesterday at $5 and you're at 20. Congratulations. That's awesome. Exactly. See, this is why I didn't like that push, guys, to that $26 area on AMC. So far away from the bell, because now we're getting, you know, we're 6 minutes from the bell and we're under 20. So, you know, that kind of sucks. But can't be mad with the profits we're about to book. I'm in the January 21st 2022 expiration, $3 strikes on those calls. Yesterday I was up 136% on those. There's people in chat who got in on these at $2 and change. I actually tweeted out a screenshot of someone that took my alert and got in at $2, I think, in 19 cents. Carson, I can't tell you where to buy. I can only tell you that I think $16 is going to be a potential support zone. 15, 16, and 17 are potential support zones. Guys at YouTube, if you want to join us for 5 days for $5, you can join us to test drive my courses. the chat room. You can meet us, be on the live chat right there. Link in the chat there for 5 days, $5. All right, guys, we got 4 minutes to the bell. Let's see what happens. As you know, I'm watching GME, AMC, AEXPR. My main thing is managing these swing trades. At the bell, I'll look later on in the morning, see if I find anything that I'm going to want to day trade. I already took a trade in pre-market, very small win, but nonetheless a real nice base hit, almost a double in pre-market. But I will be here on the mic all morning long, and I will be walking you guys through these setups as I see them, and so will Kevin, of course. Robert, what do you mean does it have to be consecutively? I don't understand that question, but oh, nice. One of my boys locked in at some profits at 22. Nice. He sold 300 shares at $22 from $2.19. Let's freaking go. 1 minute to the bell, guys. Remember to be safe. Watch your share size. Stick to your trade plans. Don't, remember, it's okay to be wrong. Just it's not okay to hold bags, okay? Watch your share size. This is going to be a crazy day. Oh, yeah, Robert, it is consecutive. I wasn't sure what you were talking about. I understand now it was about the $5 thing. I don't know what's going on, guys. This is really weird. Everything's moving super, super slow. Options, the options chain has zero volume on just about everything. Let me see here. What is happening? My broker is all glitchy on Charles Schwab. Nothing is printing on options. Everything volume is zero, no matter the strike price or expiration date. I don't know what is happening here. But everything, Kevin is saying in chat, Thinkorswim is also super glitchy. Man, I hope they don't screw us. I'm afraid to even enter a day trade like this now. Oh my God, look at this. Now somebody in the YouTube live stream says they can't even log into their Charles Schwab. Huh. Well, I don't have any open positions on Charles Schwab other than my long-term swings, which those are fine. I don't need to see those. Bro, what are they doing? Oh boy, the Dow Jones is down 400 points. Here we go. Here we go. 424 points. Dow Jones is down now. 427, 428. Oh my God, 438. All right, the world's ending. Every broker's glitched out. I don't even want to enter a day trade. I'm afraid to click a button on the day trade and then get stuck in something with their glitch. It doesn't fail, bro. I'm going to restart my Charles Schwab. Dude, even Robinhood is glitched out. What is happening? What is happening? My boy was able to sell over at Webull. You guys over at YouTube, are you having problems as well? I know somebody's having problems with Charles Schwab. Yeah, Kevin, I've never seen anything like this, man. This is, I mean, we saw some stuff last year, and we've been around a while now, and I've never seen anything like what we're witnessing today. Look at the bounce off of that 15, guys, on AMC, man. Oh my God, I can't even log into my Charles Schwab. I cannot even log into my Charles Schwab. Outstanding. Yeah, neither can I, Glenn, man. This is bogus. Can't even log into my broker, guys. That's why it's not on the screen. I went to restart it to see if, you know, it would fix. I can't even log into it. Well, that'll curve the excitement for the day real fast, I'll tell you right now. I still don't see any options, prints, or just about anything. Like the options I was in, you know, I sold half, when was it, Monday, booked, you know, about almost 500 bucks on those. That was really nice. But then, you know, today, when I should be booking an astronomical amount of money on them, nothing's printing on those either. Yeah, there's a bounce off of 15 on AMC, guys, that I was telling you. Damn it. AMC halted now. I have no idea, Jared, bud. I'm sorry, I don't know. Well, there's all sorts of... I can't even get my broker up. There's all sorts of glitches going on right now. Nice, congrats, man. So if you have a sell order, then it'll fill after the halt is open. Sorry guys, I'm a little bummed here. E-trade options are down too. Dude, bro, this is... So guys, over at YouTube, one of my members at the Day Trader chat room just said that E-trade options are down too. So no options are printing there either. Bro, these are the type of things that really, really, like, you know... Everybody always sees me all happy, laughing, and go lucky. And no one ever really sees me pissed off. Because it's rare, you know, for me to get to that level authentically. You know, sometimes I'll play along with my boys and pretend to be mad at something just to make them laugh. I like making people laugh, but pretty pissed this morning, I'll tell you right now. Freaking market's crashing, can't get puts on this thing, you know, can't trade anything, can't sell my AMC calls. Couldn't buy the bounce on AMC for the day trade. It might be even better for me not to take any day trades the way I'm feeling right now. Yeah, it's dropping, Glenn. You can make money on the drop too via puts on the SPY. Everything is going to crash again. Rex, GME, AMC, BB, BBBY, they're all going to go to crap again. But there's plenty of money to be made on the upside. And then there's plenty of money to be made on the downside as well via shorts and puts. I'm waiting for, well, if I had a way of trading today, I would be looking for GME to maybe put in a blow off top today and get puts for the downside. I mean, it might do it today, it might not. I really don't know. And having no access right now to anything other than my trade ideas scanners, might as well plug it in now. Link in the description section below, guys. 15% off coupon code on those. I'll put it in the YouTube chat for you as well. Those of you in the daytraderchatroom.com, if you are interested in those scans, just hit us up and I'll get you guys a code. Hey guys, over here at the YouTube, we got 7 likes on this video, 22 people watching. Smash that like button for me. I mean, it really go a long way today. Friggin' no broker opening, like can't even log in. So if you smash that like button, you know, it'll help the channel out tremendously, and kind of, you know, it'd be kind of cool to see some support, because honestly, I don't feel like doing anything right now. Come on, guys, 9 likes. Let's get that up to a little bit over that. You know, we got 20 viewers on here watching, so help a brother out. Smash that like button there while we wait for this AMC. Oh, it opened up already. Well, there we go. It opened up, but still, smash the like button. Oh, so Thinkorswim's not even working either. Still, you know, I don't even want to try to log back into Schwab just yet. I'm going to give it a few more minutes, because if I go try to log into Schwab, oh, there we go. My calls are finally open. I'm up 494%. But yeah, now they open it. Now they open it. Not when it was at freaking 19 bucks, 20 bucks. No, they didn't open it then. Let me sell one of these things and book a little profit. Well, the bid is huge. I mean, the bid spread is huge. Bid is at 7. The ask is at 14. So AMC needs to give us a little pop, so I can try to book some profit off on these things. Up 700%. All right, finally we're getting some prints on here, man. Finally getting some prints. There we go, guys. Thanks for the likes. Keep them coming in. Trying to book some profit off on these calls. Okay, I booked one. Nice. I booked one option. Already sold one. Oh, AMC, that's such a nasty pullback there. Gonna have to force myself to sell another one just in case. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, now they're acting weird again. I still cannot log into. I still can't log into Charles Schwab. See, we get that beautiful error. An error has been detected. All right, guys. So we got AMC halted to the downside now. It's really hard without having my broker. I can't even freaking trade him. So what you'll want to see out of this AMC now is if it comes down here to this 9 AMA area, $12 and change, right, just underneath 13 bucks. If it comes down here, sticks it, okay, and puts in like a huge wick and jumps right back up, okay, jumps right back up and gets over 1430s, 1440s, you could see this AMC just make a move back up to 16, okay, if it does that. But it's really hard for me to, like, you know, put out fib levels here. I can't even put out fib levels because I can't get into my broker, and these trade idea charts don't do fibs. So there's not a whole lot I can do for you here. I can't trade it. I can't put out fib levels. I'm just giving you more or less what the plan would be on this. Otherwise, today might be the day where we can get puts if brokers decide to work. Well, the good thing is I'm already up over $1,000 today, at least with that one contract I sold. I still have more. Oh, but all these damn glitches don't let me get out of them. I have one sell order out. Yeah, everything's impossible to sell now, Bob. Oh, everything. I can't log into Charles Schwab. Robinhood is crap. Toss is impossible to use. I'm sorry guys that today's being like this. It started off so exciting, and we're still booking good profits along the way, but it just makes it so much more difficult, and we're missing out on such huge gains because of what happened at the open. At the open, man, at the open, that would have been huge. Like, it sucks, when the little guy is up huge and then these type of things happen, and then you lose a ton. Because if I would have been able to have taken profits at the open like I wanted to, oh my God, I would have booked so much money. Oh, look at that disgusting drop on AMC. Did it get halted again? I'm down to one contract, but boy, did those profits get absolutely demolished. All right, I'm all out of AMC. Edwin, I can't even figure it out, bud. I sold some. I'm up over a thousand. It's the craziest thing, right? I am up over $1,000 on the day, which is very nice. But I'm super pissed off because had these glitches not have been going on with these damn brokers at the bell, I would have easily made about $6,000. I don't even know what my total is finally here because I was just banging out of these contracts and trying to see, where I sold some. It's going to take me a minute to figure this out because everything's so jumbled up. I mean, I'm profitable all around the trade because I was in these calls from $1.57 average, and my best take profit on them was, let me see, what was my best take profit? I think my best take profit was I sold one at 12. I sold one at 12. I sold some more at 10. And I don't know where the other one sold yet. I'm trying to figure that one out. So, I'm up over $2,000 on the day, but dude, I'm so pissed. I'm sorry, guys. You guys who've been here in the chat room, you know that I'm super upbeat. Those of you who follow me a lot on YouTube, you know that I'm super upbeat. I'm always laughing. I'm always smiling. Days like this really piss me off, man. Thanks, Robert. Appreciate it, man. I try. I really do. Especially, if I was by myself, if I was by myself here, I would have booked my profits, and I would have gotten up and walked away and gone to do something else today. Honestly, I don't care. I would have gone out, played with the freaking chickens, taken my daughter for a car ride, played some video games. I would have done just about anything else. But I'm here on YouTube with you guys. I'm here on the Day Trader chat room with my guys here in the live chat room. So, I gotta keep it professional, but I'm also gonna show you guys the emotions because they're true. They're real. It doesn't matter how long you've been trading, it doesn't matter how profitable you may be, the emotions are there. And believe me, I came really quickly to the realization that I probably best off not even day trading today because of the emotions that I have right now. I could easily give back a whole ton of profit. Today's a day where I would be itching right now to look at some puts for GME or for GME, and I'm honestly not even. I don't think I'm gonna take them because while the setup might be there and I'll enter properly, I might be extra hard-headed on my take profits and end up not doing well. Apart from the simple fact that with how these brokers are glitching out right now, I can't open positions. I just simply cannot open positions right now. I don't feel safe. I work hard for my money, and I just can't. I don't feel that I would be managing my money properly. Honestly, look, this might not even be politically correct, but managing my money how God intended me to manage my money by taking those trades when I know that I might not be able to exit them with the way these brokers, all of them, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, all of them are acting right now, with all these glitches. So I guess I'll just have to sit here and, tomorrow's another day. Bob, but you killed it, man. You killed it because I know you were in shares from the $2 and change, like everybody that followed along, man. I'm super happy for you, bro. Super happy. Guys, over there on YouTube, if like I said, if you want to come check us out for 5 days, I am 100% convinced that you will want to sign up, and we will work with you to help make that happen. Sign up for 5 days. It's just $5. You spend more on Starbucks and it doesn't give you anything but some short-lived energy. Come learn how to trade with us over here at the daytraderchatroom.com. We really trade methodically. We do not just guess and throw darts and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy here because it dipped. We don't do that garbage. You see these fools out there, trying to hype you up and be like, oh yeah, I'm in 30,000 shares just to hype you up. We don't do that crap. We're there to teach, and we're there to trade, and we're there to manage risk and make money. Join us for 5 days for $5. Links there in the chat on YouTube. And I absolutely am 100% sure you will not be disappointed. Damn, nice. One of my boys, he made $8,200 on that AMC. He got in with us way back on January 14th. He bought shares. I'm sorry, Edwin. Let me check on EXPR for you, bud. Sorry, just a little distracted here. Wow, very similar action to that AMC. It's kind of like the same deal, It's kind of like that same deal now. We got that 90 MA test and bounce. It's just very wild, man. It's very hard. A high volume break and hold a VWAP. Okay, so look, here's what I would do if I were going to trade this, right? There's various ways of trading this. Number one, you could take a starter position in here with a stop at the low of day, meaning a starter position just like 10% of what you would want, okay? So like, let's say, I just want to buy 100 shares. Okay, so you'd buy 10 shares here. Then a high volume breakthrough VWAP and hold of this level, I would add the remaining 90 shares. And then I would take some profit off up here, some profit up here, and then hold and see if we get that red to green move. That's what I would do on EXPR. That's what I would do on AMC. Kind of difficult to even do it on AMC because this is even crappier looking. GME. I'm sorry, guys. Let me go through some charts for you. GME actually looks the best. GME actually looks the best from all those for that setup I just talked about. Same, similar thing, you see? All right, similar thing. Boom, add through VWAP. Let's take a look at RHE. Well, it looks like it's halted to the downside, I'm guessing. Out of RHE, what you would want to see is basically the same thing we talked about earlier on AMC. You'd want to see it come down here out of the halt. If it comes down here and sticks it and just poof, pops right back up over 8, you know, this thing could be at 9 in the blink of an eye. So keep an eye on that. Bro, cost is at 17. Are you kidding me? This cost here, you'd want, if you were to buy this pullback here into VWAP, stop would be probably down here under 16. You want to see this 9 EMA cross up over VWAP with an increase in volume and push this stock up to 20 bucks. So there's some trade plans for you guys to take a look at. All right, so yeah, finally everything updated a little bit. Man, so, you know, based off of my calculations, had everything worked how the damn broker should work at the bell, I would have made like 6,000 bucks today. Instead, I'm up a little bit over $2,000. Do you know what that does to a person's mind? AMC, guys, you want to see hold that VWAP there. Let me see if I can finally log into Charles Schwab. I'm going to walk away for a few minutes, guys. I'll be back. I just need to clear my mind, see if I can actually get some trades in. I did trade in pre-market, but I'll be back. Give me about 5 minutes. I'm going to see if I can put Charles Schwab up in the meanwhile so that you can have, see a good chart. Let's see if it finally lets me log in. Sick. Nice work, Bob. Hell yeah, man. Good job. Members in the day trader chat room, guys, are killing it. They're killing it. They've been taking apart this AMC. This is what happens when you learn to trade properly. That's exactly what happens when you learn to trade properly. Looks like Charles Schwab is finally going to decide to work properly itself. Trying to log in right now. Damn, Boeing took a hit today. But I'm still up over 83 bucks a share on those, so that's nice to see. All right, guys, let's do a little poll here in the daytraderchatroom.com Insta poll. How did you do with today's calls, with today's transfers? All right, guys, I'll be right back. Give me a couple minutes. I just need to clear my head real quick. All right, guys, I'm back. So AMC holding on to that 9 EMA there pretty decently. Let's see what it wants to do here. Oh, nice. The poll's in. Everyone stop poll. Everyone's green today at the daytraderchatroom.com. Good work, guys. Let me grab a screenshot here. Here it is. You can see it now. Boom. 100% green. Everyone. Nice work, team. Congratulations. Super happy everyone made good money, guys. I really am. That's awesome. That is awesome. Oh, that's nasty on AMC. Right, let me go down the list here real quick. EXPR. That looks very decent, but it's very, I don't know. Cost didn't hold up. RHE. GME. Oh boy. Halted to the downside now. It's going to be very, very, very difficult trading. AMC. Notice how AMC dipped really, really hard at the same time that GME got halted to the downside. Watch your share size on these trades, guys. Even AMC is putting in like 2-point candles, okay? So you got to be very, very careful and mindful of this. Some wild price action, guys. So GME opened up and shot right back up. AMC is pushing through that 15 now. Steven, I haven't taken a trade since pre-market on Charles Schwab, so I'm not sure, but at least it finally let me in. That's quite the dip there on AMC, and it got bought right back up. Very interesting. I'm going to take a little starter here at 15 on AMC. Oh my God, I didn't get a fill. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, there it is. Got a fill. Oh boy. So I got a fill at 15.12 on AMC. It's my broker's not even showing me an open position, but I see the order got filled in my order status box. Wow, bro. I don't even think I'm going to push too hard today at all. You know what it is? It doesn't even show me an open position. It just shows that I got filled in my open orders at 15.12. Thank God it's just a starter. That's how laggy these brokers are right now, guys. Yeah, Steven, it's not surprising, honestly, between GME, AMC, all these stocks going insane, and the market, dumping as hard as it did. I mean, the market's still down 368 points. AMC really needs to get some volume here. We get that 9 EMA cross up over VWAP. We get an increase in volume. It could send it to 19, 20 bucks. So, still seeing if we can get that push. It'd be really nice and welcomed. Edwin, I got in on a market order. I'll stop out on a market order. I will try to take profits off on some of this on a limit order. I have, plenty of cushion on the day, so I'll be very patient with this. I will give it down to under 14. If it breaks under 14, I'll stop out of this starter. I don't know that I'm going to add to it either because, it's super lag on the broker side, super lag, super glitches. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to add much to this at all if I add to it. Really needs to get off of this zone. This is a great looking setup. This is a very nice looking setup. I can tell you that confidently. My only problem, with this is it's just the broker's lags and stuff that we're seeing today. If we can get up over 1740s, man, this thing can fly. Gonna be patient with it. I might take some profits off around 17, maybe. But I'm gonna try to be extra patient with it since I have a nice cushion on the day between my swing trade and my pre-market day trade. I mean, even if this thing went all the way to 20 bucks, I'll book a nice little profit here, but still be nowhere near what I could have booked had brokers been doing their job properly this morning at the bell. It's amazing to me how you can have these multi-billion-dollar brokerages and their apps and their softwares get glitchy when things like this get crazy. They should know by now that they need to be... Guys, when I established daytraderchatroom.com, we went above and beyond to make sure we had plenty of space to accommodate our members via our bandwidth. How do these brokerages not do the same, knowing damn well how many people are out there trading nowadays? Like, it's ridiculous. Kevin, I haven't said that. Kevin, the chat, our mod said they were all probably short GME and needed to lag out members to scare them. I 100,000% was thinking the whole time similar stuff. Because they're the ones that call the shots. They're the money. They're the money in this. We're nothing. So yeah, I believe that 1,000%. 1,000%. AMC going as well. So EXPR moving, AMC starting to move a little bit here. Let's see if we can get that volume increase. We're getting a little volume increase. We need to get that volume increase and give us a little nice bump over 18. You know, that'd be really nice. I'm not looking to add any more here. We're up over $1 a share on this trade already. If AMC can get over 17 here, it's gonna go real nicely. But it's a big if. Took some profits off here at 16, but still holding on to the bulk of the position. Kevin, I stopped looking at SPCE, man. I stopped looking at SPCE the other day. I'll take a little bit more profit here at 16, guys. Just in case it doesn't want to break that 17. Really like to see that 17 break here soon. If it doesn't, I'll stop out and it's fine. You know, just book more profit on the day. I'm down to half my position. And I'll stop out of this half at break even. Should get that pop over 17 here if it's going to give it to us, you know, at a readable level. $48,000 shares at $16.50, 120,000 shares at $16.50. They're trying to scare you. 80,000 shares at $16.50. They're getting 8 out. Every time they come up on there, they get 8 out. There we go. There's the break over $16.50. Ha, suck it. That was a spoof order. He moved out of the way after it started to get filled. Gotta get that 17 break. My trading stop is now underneath $16. It's a mental trading stop, so that means I'll stop out of this under 16 if I see it start to come back down there. Let's get that 17 break. Guys, this is what we do every single day at the Day Trader chat room, just like this. I get on the mic before I enter the plays. I get on the mic while I'm in the plays. And we call it out just like this. Just like this. The only difference is you get to be here in real time, no lag like in YouTube, and you have access to courses, video library, more resources than you can imagine. So it's a no-brainer to jump on in here with us. So I'll stop out of this under 16, guys, if it doesn't hold. If you really, really want to hold true to a solid stop, it's 15. But I've already taken profits along the way, and I'm not interested in this going red on me. The ideal real stop is 15. I will stop out of it under 16, just because I'm down to my last piece. 17 is a crucial break. So right here in the face of 17 right now on this next candle. Let's see if it's got it in her. Got 180,000 shares at 17. We might see a pullback. But let's see if it's a spoof order or a real order. 180,000 shares at 17 on the ask. We're at 1690. 1694. That 180,000 seller is still there. Seems like it might have scared off some people. Got 100,000 at 1688 now. So we got that 100,000 at 1690 now. It's really not shying away too much from it, guys. We might get that pop over 17 here. We just need that volume to increase. The volume hasn't increased enough to my liking yet, but this thing could just give us some crazy. There's 17. 340,000 shares came on the ask at 17 on the dot. That was a spoof order. It's gone now. $16.99, 17. Let's get that pop. 17s are printing galore. Lots of 17 being sold, okay? Might take another little piece of profit off here if it doesn't break soon. Lots of 17 being sold. There's a huge seller at 17. There we go. We got the break. Very nice. Take another piece here at 1724. Down to a little piece of this position. See if we can get a push up to near 18. Congratulations, guys. Good trading. Good trading. We're just adding to the day, guys. We're just padding our wallets at this point. We're just adding to the day, padding our wallets. We got about 200,000 shares at 1750. Major walls in this area, guys. If this AMC goes nuts and breaks over 20 today, wow. I'm down to one final piece. Would like to try to get it off of over 18. But what I'll do here is I'll hold my stop at probably 16 on these final pieces. We were taking profits at $1.77 a share on that last take profit. Congrats. I'm down to one final piece from 1548 because I did add a little bit. nowhere near the size I wanted. I probably had somewhere around 20% of the desired size I wanted. But I was concerned with my broker because the moment I entered the trade, I had instant lag on the broker, on the platform, on Street Smart's Edge. So, you know, past experiences, I decided not to go in full size because of that. All right, guys, so it's still holding up fairly well. If it breaks up over 18, we could see a run up to 20 bucks on this AMC, but it really needs to break 18 with an increase in volume. You know, it might just do it. It might just do it. 16 is going to be the stop on the remainder of this position for me. If you want to be aggressive on your stop, 15 would be that stop, you know, because that's where VWAP is at. All right, so I'm out of that remainder of AMC. Nice trading, guys. Congratulations all around. You know, that's not a banger, that's not a home run trade, but we booked some real nice profit off of that $15 break and hold of VWAP. Beautifully traded. We didn't get the break up over 18 like we wanted just yet. This is another potential entry here with the stop at 15. I'm not going to take it. I think I might be done on the day. Nowhere near the amount of money I should have made because of those glitches on, you know, that didn't let me sell at the open from my swings. But hey, even though I'm going to continue crying over spilled milk, there's no sense in crying over spilled milk. You know, I'll take my gains, very nice gains on the day. I think one of my take profits on the swing was up over 700%. So that was nice. So yeah, to see how that bounce is coming off of VWAP, guys. EXPR, Edwin. I'll take a look at EXPR for you real quick here. EXPR. I should have traded EXPR. Out of the haul on EXPR, what you're going to want to see is, you know, if you're not long it yet, if you're in it, if I were in it, I would put out a sell target, you know, I don't know, $9, put out an order to sell some at $9. If not, if one is not in it, what I would be looking at for EXPR for potential entries is 750 hold. You know, if it comes out of the halt, dips to 750, puts in a big tail, just jumps right off of that level, gets back over 8 instantly. That's a potential entry there. It's going to be aggressive. Watch share size because it could flush and be at 650 before you know it. GME with a breakup over VWAP, guys. I would love to trade this here, but honestly, I'm emotionally tired already. If it gave a pullback down there to that VWAP 9 EMA area right here and held, that's a potential entry all day long. For a run up right back up here to 350s. That's a massive move. I'm really tired. No problem, Edwin. It's my pleasure, bud. Hey guys, if you're watching on the daytraderchatroom.com and I'm sorry, at YouTube and are interested, you can join us at the daytraderchatroom.com for 5 days for $5, and you get access to the dashboard, you get access to courses, you get access to the live room with no lag, screen shares, you get access to the video lesson library. We go over lessons every single day live, and we answer questions live. There's the link in the chat room there on YouTube. 5 days, $5. Come check us out. With GME, guys, just be careful, be mindful. This thing puts in huge 20-point candles. So watch your share size if you do trade it. What you want to see on a pullback into that 9 EMA VWAP is a pullback on, slight decreasing volume, and then a bounce with an increase in volume could send this right back up to 350. AMC could be at 20 soon. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you at YouTube here, if you're new to trading, you want to get familiar with how the market works. Here's a free course. Boom, there you go, free course. Gave you AMC at $2 and change, giving you a free course here now. Don't ever say Hustle with JesseW didn't give you anything. Lobanova, my pleasure. Really, it is. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy what I do, even on days like today, where I'm up nice on the day, but all those glitches and broker issues, really, I'm mentally exhausted. I was just talking with Kevin, the mod, over at the daytraderchatroom.com, and we were chatting in the mod section, and we were just talking about exactly that. I am mentally exhausted today, and it's all because of those damn glitches on the broker side. All of them. Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Robinhood. Every single broker was glitched out at the open. So glitched out. It's crazy. But over here at chat, everyone is green. We ran a poll. 100% of traders in chat were green today, including us, the mods. I hope the people watching on YouTube are green as well too. This AMC is still holding up. GME, worked out beautifully. I couldn't take it. I really didn't want to take that trade because I'm just so tired. But that pullback right there was money. That pullback right there was money. But I'm just so tired. I can't. Really kind of pretty exhausted here. It's going right back up there, those 340s. Remember I said targets 350s. You might want to consider taking some profit off if you're in this in 340 land and hold on to some to see if you test highs. If you do, that's another take profit. And then break up over that is more take profits. Really surprised the AMC isn't pushing back up. It could be just giving a very calm, relaxed pullback into that VWAP area, and then it'll bounce. So it's something to keep on watch. Continue to keep on watch, guys. Let's check in on EXPR. EXPR halted to the downside. Okay, so that's basically what we said. Remember, we talked about that coming back down. It's halted now to the downside. So look. Oh, there it is. It already opened up. All right, well, there goes that plan. Regardless, if it gets back up above that halt of 780, it'll go. It'll probably go right there. I was going to go over that same scenario here, a dip into that VWAP and bounce. So if it holds this if it holds the 780 area, we could see this thing right back up here. So just be mindful. It is going to move around pretty hard. Wow, John, that sucks. Yeah, it's really ridiculous what's going on with these big box brokers. I don't know if Lightspeed or Centerpoint had any issues this morning, but it's ridiculous to see these big box brokers have these issues. There it is. There's the move I told you guys about right there. This is a take profit zone, guys. Not all of it, but some. And looks like it's about to halt. This EXPR is about to halt here. It's still open, hasn't halted yet. I think there's the halt there. See what I told you? Coming out of that halt to the downside. That halt, there's the halt to the upside now. See what I told you about coming out of that halt to the downside? If we got that action, we would see this. Look at the lag on these brokers. It took forever to get AMC up on the screen. Really surprised at how poorly this AMC is bouncing off of this area. Glad we took profits up over 17. GME pushing right back up, guys. That thing's not done. GME says the party's still not over. Guys, over at YouTube, so how are you doing today? Is everybody green over there? There goes GME right to 350 land. Remember, that's a take profit zone. There's a lot of stuff going insane everywhere. You hitting the scans now. Oh, look at Tilray. What? Guys, look at Ver from yesterday. Look at Ver from yesterday. Kevin, take a look at that VIR. Yep, whoa, exactly. Isn't that crazy? Hey guys, so it's 10:55 a.m. over at YouTube. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be here for a little while longer, maybe another 10-15 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer, just depends, right? On what everything's looking like. But what I'm going to do is I'll chill here a little while longer with you guys, and then I'm going to cut it because probably sometime later after 11, we'll be going over lessons and recaps at the daytraderchatroom.com. So I'll have to be focused up on that. So I'll run the YouTube live stream a little bit longer here for you guys. And right before I cut out, I'll come back on the mic and let you know that I'm going to cut out, okay? But I'll be here, so if you have any, any questions, throw them up in chat, stuff like that. Be happy to answer. Cost is flying, guys. KOSS. Look at that thing up at 30 bucks. Insanity. This AMC here is holding that VWAP, guys. That's not a bad potential entry area with a stop underneath 15 bucks. Just, watch your share size. Hey guys, also remember, my pleasure, Larry. Oh, my pleasure, John. Yeah, GameStop is going insane. AMC is still holding here. It'd be nice to see if this AMC can follow suit. It was doing so well. I don't know why it's so stuck. GME right to 380 high a day. And KOSS is halted at 3010. Careful today, guys. Today's an easy day to overtrade. Okay? It's an easy day to overtrade. We've all made real good profits on the day. There's no problem with taking some smaller trades, and if you're red on them, giving a little bit back, it's fine. It's part of the program. But what you don't want to do, right, today is give back like 50% of your profits because you overtraded a name like KOSS that's just squeezed straight up $10 in the past 20 minutes, or get chopped up in AMC if it starts to get choppy, right? That's what you don't want to do. Like if you're in this AMC, for me personally, a bottom stop is 14, preferably 15 as a stop. But you just don't want to get chopped up. You want to watch your share size. You want to protect the profits that we made in the early morning. All right. You want to protect those swing trade profits. You want to protect all of that. You can use the cushion to trade a little bit, but the way you manage your risk is by protecting the profits here. Taking the little call option here on AMC, 8:45, $9 strike, 29th expiration of January. I'll stop out of it under 15 or 14. I am taking teeny tiny size on this. Teeny tiny size. If it goes, we get back up to 20, this thing's going to pay out nicely. If it goes against me, it's going to be a paper cut amongst the awesome day that I've had. And then I'll really chop it up to a day that it's over, and I'll revisit the market in the afternoon. That's all. It's one of those things now where AMC is just at a good support zone, very low risk, high reward setup. We just need a trigger. We need this thing to trigger and get back up over 18. That's all. I'm using tiny size, guys. Tiny, 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 tiny size. If this trade goes red against me, I'm going to lose like 1% of my day's gain. See, that's kind of crappy action there. cost halted to the downside, guys. Similar to that EXPR setup we were talking about. If you want, go take a look at it and basically analyze it like, kind of like we did that EXRP. And just remember to watch your share size. The reason I went with the $9 strike on AMC was because that was the only strike available. You know, like I don't even have $10 strikes available here. I don't know what the deal is with that. You know, ideally I was looking for like $20 strike, but that's all that's available here on Charles Schwab right now. So we're like at one of those boiling points there on AMC where it's just trading sideways here above 15. It's gonna go obviously one way or the other, and whichever way it decides to go, it should be of significance. I'd like to see this AMC get back over 17 soon because these contracts expire in 2 days. So, you know, time decay does really start to eat at them a little bit. KOSS still halted to the downside. It hasn't opened up just yet. KOS just opened up. Remember I said that $25 area with the 9 AMA? It's trying to stick it there right now. Boom. Boom, look at that. Right from 25 to 28.55. Oh my God, the momentum is insane right now. AMC, would you like to follow suit? Send us back to 20? Or are we in intermissions here? Did somebody go get popcorn or something? Oh my God, that KOSS is right back at 29.85. Oh, damn. Did I pick the wrong one for this next trade? I'm seeing the randomest tickers hit the scans. Now we got Fossil. What is happening? Look at Fossil. Kevin, what is happening? I think they broke the market. I think Wall Street Bet broke the market. So KOSS is halted at 29.85. Dude, Wall Street Bets broke the market. You know, so many people are going to make so much money that don't know what they're doing, and then they're going to lose so much of it when the market normalizes again. Because this stuff doesn't stay like this forever, guys. You know, this is a chaser's paradise right now. I know some YouTube channels and Twitters that are about to post up some absolutely enormous gains. And a lot of newbies are going to follow suit thinking this is how it works. And I don't know, a week from now, they're going to buy into something, chasing it. And it's going to create so much bag holders. It's crazy. It's just going to create so many bag holders. Because they don't know how to manage risk. They don't know anything. They just think stocks go up. They think just stocks go up and that's it. Check this out, guys, on YouTube. I'm going to show you something here in a minute. Oh, dog is barking. Let me get this real quick here for you. AMC trying to get a little pop. A little pop at a pop pop. Why is this not showing up? Let's go. Hey guys, on those calls on AMC, that first take profit will be in front of 18 bucks. Guys on YouTube, check this out here. And I mean in the chat room too, if you want. This is a tweet I made today. I gave my students and friends and social followers AMC under $3. Here's a screenshot of one of them that sent me. Look at his entry. He bought at 221 and 224 on 114 and 115. 114 is the day I put it out and told everybody about AMC. He still has some shares left. Look at this. 464 shares he had, and look at that P&L. I'll just let that say everything, and then I'm gonna give you guys again that $5 5 days link to the day trader chat room. Don't miss out on the next one. Well, KOSS opened up out of that halt and gapped up. Haven't seen that in a while. We've usually been seeing a lot of like sideways, flat opens out of halts, flat opens out of halts. We've seen a lot of those. And right here, boom, KOSS gapped up out of that halt from $29 and change and shot up to $32, $33. Meanwhile, AMC is trying to get that bounce off of VWAP. I'd hate for AMC to just trade sideways all day because that's just going to wreck these contracts little by little. We need AMC to get up and over at least 17, preferably 18, and then see if we can get that attack of 20. If it can attack 20, this little contract here should pay us off nicely today. I don't think I will swing trade this contract. I think it'll just be a day trade. And I'd like to see if I can get it up there to 20, see how AMC wants to act up there. And I might take it off completely there, or I might just hold on, and see if we get a pop right over 20. I only have one contract. It's tiny, tiny size. If I had 3 contracts, which is, something normal, I would have sold some in front of 18, sold some more at 20, and held on to one, looking for a breakup over 20. But since I only have one, I will more than likely take this off somewhere between 19 or 20, unless I see some major hype coming into this that will make me believe we're going to get up and over 20. Yo, B-Balla, what's up, man? Nice to see you around these parts. We're just here tearing it up on AMC. I don't know. Oh, man, you probably didn't see that because I don't think you have Twitter, Balla? I gave out AMC on the 14th of January at $2 and change. A bunch of people jumped in, made big money on it, man. I don't like that pullback there. Like my stop on this will be under VWAP on this call. Since VWAP has moved up and off of that $15 area, it'll be VWAP there. Thanks, B-Baller, bro. Appreciate it. Hey guys, so this AMC is still holding on to VWAP. You know, I didn't like that rejection of 17, but it's still holding on to VWAP. It's still holding on to VWAP. KOSS halted to the downside, guys. Now, based off of the earlier analysis I gave you where we talked about 25 and then it bounced clearly off of that and went all the way to 30 some odd dollars, on this one, I would not, if it holds to the, like if it opens out of this halt and sticks that area again, let's say 26, 27 bucks, it sticks that area and jumps right off of it, then oh man, this thing's gonna get crazy. But I don't have a high conviction that it will do exactly that, kind of like I did earlier. Wow, even Lightspeed had problems, B-Baller? My God, man. I was talking about that with the guys that I didn't know if Centerpoint and Lightspeed were having issues too. Yeah, you know, of course they're bound to happen. But you know, it's like I say, right? At this point in the game, these brokers saw what happened last year in February or March. They should have their systems beefed up enough now. Like these are multi-billion-dollar brokerages. They should have their systems beefed up to where that it is overly beefed up. You know, like really, that at this point they should have that, but they don't care. You know, they really don't care. At the end of the day, like, you know, a little bit conspiracy here. I thoroughly believe a lot of today was orchestrated because so many institutions and big brokerages are getting absolutely demolished by what's going on. So, you know, they want to get out first. Simple as that. A little bit jaded of an outlook, but I firmly believe it. Oh, wow. Interactive Brokers is also having issues. Unbelievable. AMC really needs to jump off of this VWAP. It's starting to like get me a little bit uncomfortable. Not in the sense of the position, because like I said, if I take an L on this position, guys, it's like 1% of the day's profit, so I don't care. It's perfectly fine within the risk tolerance. But I really think this AMC has a lot of potential. If we can get up over 17 and make a push to 18, we could see 20s, you know? So I really want to see it get it. Like, you know, everybody else is getting it. Cost got it. EXRP got it. GME got it. What else? CVM got it. Ver got it. Yeah, big baller. Like, man, look, we're nobodies here at the daytraderchatroom.com. And before we launched, I made sure that our servers could handle the influx of traffic we could potentially get, even on like a day where we do free, free chat. And we can actually upgrade it on the fly to double the amount of space that we need right now. And like, we're nobodies, you know, like how could these huge brokerages not have that ability? It's ridiculous. Thanks, bro. If you would have been here this morning, you would have seen a whole other side of me that most people have never seen on social media. I was really mad, bro. I was really mad, big baller, because you know what it is to wake up knowing you have $6,000 in unrealized profit and not be able to get it. And then when you finally exit all this, you just make like a couple $1,000. Dude, I was fuming. Fuming. Literally here cleaning the dust off my keyboard while watching this AMC, guys. After I'm done trading today, I'm going to relax the entire rest of the day. Kevin, how's it going on your side? Just watching. Too many pumps. Too many puns. Yeah, beat baller, yeah. Oh man, what can you do? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I was happy. A lot of my friends and people in chat made a ton of money off of the call. Uh, so I was at least happy with that. And the day trader chat room had 100% accuracy this morning. Everybody in chat that traded was green. So that was beautiful. We ran a poll. I shared it here on the live stream and people saw it. So it was, it was a good morning in that sense for sure, guaranteed. And I'm really, really happy. Like I was getting text messages from friends that were up huge. They got into AMC at $2.20 when I alerted it on January 14th. So I was really, really happy about that. That made this thing a little bit less. So guys, KOSS opened up off that halt, I think. Yeah, opened up off the halt. I wasn't looking at it, and it's held that halt price. If KOSS holds above 28, this thing can go right back up there to high day. This is crazy. AMC's continuous sideways trading is really annoying. We needed to get off of this level. It's forming a bit of a wedge pattern, guys. If you notice right here, boom. It's forming a bit of a wedge pattern. If we get a break to the upside, volume increases, I gotta think it goes to 20. I gotta think it goes to 20. So I'm still sitting in this call here, guys, and I'll sit in it for a while. Fossil is still ripping, guys. Cost went right back up to 32 bucks. It held that area beautifully out of that halt. Remember Big Ball of GME at 5, bro? It's crazy, man. I didn't think GME would make a move like that, but I had no idea, that it was being talked about at Wall Street Bets as much. I got in AMC thinking we would get that similar run. Not up to 200 bucks or anything like that, but at this point, who knows anymore, honestly. CVM, let me see the CVM. Cost is really nice as well, CVM. What is that, bro? Look at CVM. Oh, look, are you still there, Big Baller? Check it out, I'll show you here real quick. I tweeted this out a little while ago. Where is... Check it out, Big Baller. Right here, this is one of my boys. He got long, and he got long on the 14th when I alerted it. Boom, 14th. He got in at 221. He added... he didn't get the full buy, so he added the rest of it the next day on the 15th at 224. And look at this, bro. $6,412 off of 464 shares. That CVM is insane. Let's go, AMC. Hey guys, we're usually in recap mode by now, but there's so much going on. We're not doing it just yet. Kevin's 2 for 2 today. That's killer. I am 2 for 2 as well on day trades. If I factor in my swing trades, I'm on 3 for 3 today. Got one more trade working here. Let's see if we can get this pop and we can finally get paid on this one. If this one pays off, then that'll put me up 4 for 4 on the day, and I think I will be chilling the rest of the day after that. We'll do the recap, we'll do a lesson, and call it a day. Who am I kidding? I'll be here in the afternoon. I can't even lie to myself. Those CVMs and those fossils and all that's just straight up chat pumps. They don't even have pullbacks. Look at this, CVM, 28 bucks. Did it just get halted again? Look at that, 29.90. Insanity. Yeah, OXBR moving. There's a lot moving, guys. There's a lot moving. Kind of just still here sitting in my AMC. I believe that wedge is looking promising, Larry. I do believe the wedge is looking promising. EXRP moving, CVM on an absolute tear through 30. AMC, follow suit, buddy. What are you doing? Break out of this wedge already. Give me that last paycheck of the day. Oh, look at this, guys. I got to show you this volume profile. You guys are going to laugh. You see this volume profile right here? I call that the FU volume profile when the market flips me off. I'm serious. Like, for the last year, I've noticed that profile and it always, like, craps on me. Nice, Bitballer. Cool, bro. Killing it. Love it, man. I know you've been tearing it up. I know you've been tearing it up. Super, super, super happy for you, man. I'm so stoked for you. Guys, one of my original watchers on YouTube, he's just been on a tear this year. On a tear. Like, he was one of my first subscribers. Hey guys, if you're watching me here for the first time live on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and that like button for me. You know, like, become a part of the YouTube fam here. And, you know, I post up videos, a lot of entertainment videos lately because people want to be entertained more than taught. So I post up a lot of entertainment videos lately, but I do throw in some lesson ones. Like yesterday, I posted one that's really like a hidden lesson. It's really, really good. You guys should watch it. It doesn't have a lot of views because I guess people don't, you know, they didn't want to get taught, but it's got some really good hidden lessons in it. CVM to 34 bucks. AMC is just, AMC literally got up, went to the bathroom, then came out the bathroom, got sidetracked, went to go buy popcorn. It's just sitting there. Yes, it was, sir. It was definitely holding you back, that PDT. That PDT holds everybody back. Once a trader learns to trade properly, PDT only hinders them. Because they will take a trade and it'll go red on them. And then they cannot take a follow-up trade because of whatever PDT, you know, level you're at. Like, if you already took 3 trades in the week, now you're stuck. You got to take that red. Your next setup comes up. It would have put you back on green and you can't take it because of PDT. But a trader that knows how to trade and manages his risk can easily take 2 or 3 losses and then take one more trade and boom, right back to green on the day. I hate the PDT rule. I don't believe the PDT rule is made to help people, like regular citizens, everyday retail traders. I believe the PDT rule was made to protect brokers with their margin account. That's it. So that, you know, a noob doesn't blow up their margin and then be like, nah, I'm not going to pay you, broker. You know, I'm not going to give you back your $10,000. That's why the PDT rule was made. But I'm a cynic when it comes to that type of stuff. That's exactly why I believe the PDT rule was made. And, you know, fine, if you want to do that, okay. You know what? Let them trade all they want in a cash account. Let them trade all they want in a cash account. Exactly, Kevin. Kevin, moderator over at the daytraderchatroom.com, said, and make money off of that money, keeping it locked. Because these brokerages, they make money off of your money. You know, I got, what, $40,000 in my brokerage account? They make money off of that money. They give me a few peanuts every night. Great conversations we're having today. It's amazing when you're so green on the day that you can just chill and sit back like this and have these awesome convos, guys. I was going to knock out the YouTube live stream earlier, but we're still going. You know, people are still in here. And these plays are still moving around. AMC is still intact. This wedge is going to go one way or the other, obviously. But when? It'd be nice if it does it now soon before lunchtime. Nokia going now? No, don't tell me that. Exactly, Big Baller. Oh my god, look at Nokia. See, but that's clean at least, right? That's clean at least. You got a bit of a cup and handle formation here. That's a beautiful setup. That's clean. It's not like the pumps like on CVM. CVM, let's bring that one up over here. Anybody has been trading for at least 3 or 4 years knows that is a chat room pump. This is exactly what a chat room pump looks like. I can imagine who's in those, in that one. I'll reserve comments for today. Oh my god, I think this is my longest day trade of 2021. Alright guys, I'm going to mute the mic. I'm going to take a sip of my protein shake here. And you know, at this rate, I guess I should have just traded EXPR. Big baller. Oh man. CVM guys halted at 33.94. That thing is so far away from the 9 AMA right now that it's just going to be purely momentum. There it is. It's opened, dipped to 30, and just bounced right back. Guys, be careful trading this stuff. Okay? Be careful. These things are moving a boatload of points at a time. So if you're oversized, you will get demolished. So watch your share size. This AMC is starting to get a little bit kind of crappy here at VWAP. I'll have my stop there under 15. If it breaks under 15, you know, I'll stop out of it, take my little L on it, and just be happy and book the real nice day that I have anyways. I would imagine momentum will slow down some as we enter into lunch hours. We might see some momentum pick up after lunch, depending on how these plays hold up during lunch hours, guys. Oh, I just noticed PLTR is up big. Guys, I'm up $10 a share on the PLTR trade. But, you know, I'm going to be holding that for a long time because that's in my long-term swing account, which I have Boeing, Disney, PLTR. I'm kind of mad it's up so high because I really want to buy some in my Roth IRA. I wanted to buy a good amount this month. I was hoping I could get it, you know, back under 30, but I guess not. AMC trying to stay alive. This thing won't give up, which is a good sign. You know, maybe we can get these shorts finally trapped in there. We can get that pop. What the hell? I don't know why that line doesn't want to cooperate. I can't even get rid of it. What is this? I can't even get rid of it. It's so weird. There we go. There we go, guys. We drew the magic triangle. Let's see what it does. I'll stop out of this under 15, guys. Oh boy. I drew the magic triangle and it got nervous already. All right, so far it's trying to hold that $15 area. Let's see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, I'll sell out of that little call. And we'll jump into our recap and morning lesson, guys. CVM opened out of that halt and gapped down. It held the 9 AMA, bounced off of it. It's back over 31.90 now. AMC looking kind of heavy, weakish here in front of 16. Needed to bounce off of this 15. Maybe it'll trap some shorts here. If not, I'll just get out of it. Ideal scenario here was some shorts got in here now, and now we'll get some longs buying in front of 15, get this pop back up over, and you know, have them get squeezed out. Meanwhile, KOSS is over $41. Hey guys, those of you tuning in here to the YouTube stream, make sure you check us out here at the daytraderchatroom.com. 5 days for $5. You're going to get access to courses, the video library. You're going to get access to the live trade screen share with, you know, our alerts, recaps, live lessons in every single morning, as well as we answer questions live. And, you know, you can partake in that, as well as your dashboard with many different tools and resources you will have available to you. Just 5 days, $5. Come give us a test drive. I am 100% confident you're going to want to sign up right after you finish your 5-day trial. There is no auto renew on that 5-day. Okay, it's just $5, 5 days, no auto renew at all. And there's no commitment. You just come in, test the waters. If you like what you see, you stay. Also, if you're brand new to the market, if you're brand new to the market and are looking to try to understand things, here's a free course just for you right here. Boom, free course. Still sitting in these calls, guys. I didn't get shaken out there. We held 15. See if we can get that break up over 16, man. We can finally get a squeeze out of this wedge. If we get a squeeze out of this wedge with a high volume break, we could see 18, 20 bucks fairly easily. What I don't like, it's 11:44 a.m. already. That's what I don't like. Edwin, okay, if you're having issues there, it might just be like some computer thing, or it might be some downtime where the videos are hosted. It can happen, but your best bet is to email info@thedaytraderchatroom.com, and Jonah will walk you through that quick and easily. Okay, he goes above and beyond for everyone, so make sure to just send us an email there, info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. All right, I'll post the email here for you in the chat there on YouTube as well. Oh, look at him right there, the Day Trader Show. He is our tech guy, our administrator. So guys, this is exactly why I took a very tiny position on this follow-up AMC trade in case it wasn't going to work, That way it's just like a tiny little loss on the day. I'm going to take like a 1% loss, actually less than 1% loss on this trade if I get stopped out of it. This is how you manage risk and conserve your profits. A lot of people will get a little bit overzealous, go in huge on the follow-up trades, and then boom, all their profits gone. Thousands of dollars lost because they got hard-headed. Me, I'm not going to have that problem. We break under 15 here, I'll stop out, take a little tiny L, and be done. There it is, I'm out. Boom. I lost less than 1%. We sat in that trade for quite a while. It was very, very, had to be very, very patient on that trade. Didn't work out. No big deal. No big deal. What is this? We're 3 for 4 on the day now? Psh, take 3 for 4 any day. All right, guys. So I think I'm done here, at least for now. We're going to, it's 11:47. We'll probably go over the recap and the lesson for the morning. Okay. So we'll probably do that here in the Day Trader chat room now in a few minutes. And we'll go from there. I'll be back on the afternoon as well after we go over those lessons and stuff. I'll be back in the afternoon. And we'll see if there's anything popping off. But good work today, guys. Everybody ended their day green, which is excellent. Oh, look at this. AMC just got halted to the downside. This is why we have trade plans. You see? This is exactly why we have trade plans. Everybody did great today, guys. We booked an enormous amount of profit. Probably our best day since we launched. So congratulations all around. Congratulations all around, guys. And let's go ahead and continue the learning process. All right, we'll go over the recap, some lessons, and then we'll break out to lunch. Hey guys, so Big Balla over at the YouTube stream just notified us that TD just put out a news on his platform. It says they put in restrictions on AMC and GME to protect people. They said, huh? Yeah, exactly. That's obviously to protect the hedge funds and the bankers and the brokers, not us. Okay, guys. So over at the Day Trader chat room, Kevin's gonna take the mic in about 5 minutes or so, maybe 10 minutes. I don't know, but within 5 or 10 minutes, Kevin will be on the mic. He'll put his screen up. He's gonna go over his recap and lesson. I'm gonna jump on over to YouTube and talk to my YouTube peeps real quick. And then what I'll do is after Kevin's done, I'll jump back on the mic and to put my screen up at the daytraderchatroom.com, and I'll go over my recap and lesson. And this is definitely one you're not going to want to miss, okay? Because there's going to be a whole lot of psychological stuff we're going to go over, and it's very, very important. Shark, my man. Shark, brother, I wish you would have been around here at the open, man. I made good money on it, but not nearly what I should have. When the bell rang, every broker and their grandmother was lagged out, couldn't log in. There was no options printing, zero volume. It did not matter the strike price, the expiration date. E-Trade, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, all of them, man, the same forever for like what seemed like an eternity. I should have made Shark about $6,000 on those calls minimum. That's not counting the time value I had on the options. I probably would have made a whole lot more. And then AMC started to dump, and finally around 9:40, 9:45 a.m., something like that, they busted out, and we could finally sell our options. I mean, I still made good money, man. You know, one of my take profits was up over 700%, but what did I make? A couple $1,000 on them? A couple $1,000 on them, maybe. Then I had a pre-market trade on AMC, and then I had another day trade on AMC. I traded it right in here for this 9 AMA VWAP cross. I got flat up here, you know, made another few bucks. So, you know, just now I lost a couple bucks on that pullback there because I was in a call, just one call. Here I traded shares, and in pre-market I traded shares, and here I had just one call, looking to see if we're gonna get a push up to 20. And we had this little quick dump here. I got flat as soon as we broke under 15 on it. Took a small loss. Still up, I don't know, 2,400 bucks on the day, something like that. So I'll take it, but I was super pissed this morning. But thank you, man. How'd you do on yours? I think you were in SPCE calls last time we talked, and that one really popped real nice. Hey guys, so look, good work today. Be very, very careful trading these the rest of the day. I think they're going to be a little bit more difficult as the day progresses. Keep eyes on CVM, Nokia. Keep eyes on EXPR. Okay, definitely keep eyes on all of those, and just be mindful of what you're trading. Watch your share size, and manage your risk. Everybody at the Day Trader chat room was extremely green today. 100% accuracy over there, which is very nice to see as a team, as you know, members and mods. We killed it. So that was great to see today. No one was red in the room at all when we ran the poll. So that's beautiful. Just, you know, watch your share size. Watch your share size the rest of the day. Be careful. Yeah, man, definitely made a few bucks there. So I'm really happy with that. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to start ending the stream here pretty soon. What I want to let you guys know is I'm going to be putting out some videos here soon. I have a couple of entertainment videos that I put out this week. They're really good. Yesterday's has really good lesson within it. So check that one out for sure. I'll link you here real quick. I'll link you to that video. I haven't done a live in a while. I probably won't do another live until sometime next week, I'm thinking, more than likely. But I was really happy to do this live today because I knew today could be very risky for people. And I really wanted to get on here and make sure that you guys knew what was going on. All right, so here is yesterday's video. That one is informational and entertainment. If you want to have a really, really good laugh, then you're going to have to watch this other one from Sunday. That one is hilarious. So make sure you check those out. Lastly, if you want to, check us out, 5 days, $5. You're not going to want to miss that. You're going to, I firmly believe you're going to want to sign up right afterwards. You can have that. If you are new to trading and need to learn, what's going on and how the market works, very basic stuff, I have a free course here for you. Right here's a free course for you. Boom. And if you're not really an active trader, just want to join the channel, what I'm planning out here soon is I'm going to be putting out a Discord that's not going to be for day trading. It's going to be for investing ideas, side hustle talk, stuff like that. Okay. It's going to be, the main chat section is going to be called the Hustler's Den. So if you want to be a part of that, there's going to be 2 ways of joining that. Number one, you can go on Twitter and find where I linked the tweet, the tweet talking about that. And if you sign up there and just tell me you want to get the link, you'll get in for free. Okay. If not, the only people after that get in for free, the only people that get in after that are going to be the people who sign up for my Patreon that I'm going to be establishing. That's going to have a number of different perks to it. One of them is having access to that Discord. That Discord is going to be all about investing, all about long-term swings. Okay. It's going to be all about side hustles, trendy items that can be bought and flipped for good profit. It's going to be about real estate. It's going to be basically about anything that makes money, with the exception of day trading. It's really not going to be a day trading thing. I'm not going to be on there putting out alerts. I'm not going to be on there putting on courses. That's the daytraderchatroom.com. If you're a member of the daytraderchatroom.com, you will get access to that Discord as part of your subscription to the daytraderchatroom.com. Larry, it's my pleasure. Enjoy that free course. I think you're going to like it a lot. And if you like that one a lot, you're going to absolutely love the $5 for 5 days, because you have access to another course there. And I'm telling you right now, once you go through that, you're going to want to sign up for the yearly. So that'll be what I'm going to do with the Discord. It's going to be for those things. And I am going to have free access to anybody that signs up. So look, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to find the tweet before I go. I'm going to find that tweet right now for you. And I'm going to link it for you here. If you want free access to that Discord, that's all about hustle. Okay. Then you're going to want to go on Twitter here, type in that you want access to it. And then that way, once it's live, I'm going to come back around and I'm going to give everybody that tweeted access to it completely for free, forever. Okay. But if it's not signed up and one wants access to it later, it's going to have to be through my Patreon that I'm going to be establishing. Okay. So let me get that real quick here for you. I'm almost there. Oh, I just came across a good tweet I made a while back. Some people confuse skill with risk tolerance, and worse yet, reckless risk tolerance. Okay, I can't find the other one right now, but I found this one, and this will get you the same thing, okay? So here's the tweet. You go to that, sign up there, say that you want access to the Discord for free, and I'll get you, all right? I'll give you the link there once it's live. CVM right back up our high of day, new high on it now. So keep eyes on CVM. Thank you very much for tuning in today, guys. I'm glad to see everybody did so well. And thank you very much for supporting the channel, all right? Make sure to check out those videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.